Hey there, welcome back to Dropshipping Hustle. If you're considering starting an Airbnb business, one of the first things you'll want to do is protect your assets and simplify your tax situation. Not only does it provide legal protection, but it also makes your business more professional in the eyes of both guests and potential partners. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to start an LLC for your Airbnb business, step by step, and why it's such a smart move. Plus, I'll share why I recommend using Northwest Registered Agent to help you with the entire process. Make sure to stick around till the end and check the description below for a special link to get started. 1. Why you need an LLC for your Airbnb business. First off, let's talk about why setting up an LLC is crucial for your Airbnb business. Without an LLC, your personal assets, like your home, savings, and car, could be at risk if something goes wrong. For example, if there's damage to the property or a guest files a lawsuit, you might be personally liable. But when you create an LLC, the business is treated as a separate legal entity, offering you liability protection. Another reason to consider an LLC is for tax purposes. LLCs have more flexibility in how they are taxed. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietor, partnership, or even an S-corp, which can offer significant tax savings depending on your situation. Lastly, having an LLC can enhance your business's credibility. It signals to your guests, partners, and lenders that you are a professional and serious about your Airbnb business. 2. Choosing the right name for your LLC. Once you decide to form an LLC, the first step is to choose a business name. Your name must be unique and not already in use by another business. Be sure to check your state's business database to confirm availability. Your name should also reflect your Airbnb business's brand and be something that resonates with your target audience. If you want to use a name that includes terms like Airbnb or short-term rentals, make sure it complies with your state's rules. For example, some states have restrictions on using certain words in LLC names to ensure they're not misleading. 3. Filing your Articles of Organization. The next step is filing your Articles of Organization with the Secretary of State. This document establishes your LLC officially. You'll need to provide some basic information, including the name of your LLC, the address of your business, the name and address of your registered agent. We'll talk about this in a minute. Whether the LLC will be managed by members or managers. The filing process typically costs between $50 and $200, depending on your state. Once you've filed your Articles of Organization, you'll receive an official certificate confirming your LLC's existence. 4. Choosing a registered agent. Every LLC is required to designate a registered agent. This is someone or a company that will receive important legal documents on behalf of your business, such as lawsuits or official government communications. You can choose to be your own registered agent, but it's often better to use a professional service. Using a registered agent service can help maintain your privacy and ensure you never miss an important legal document. That's why I recommend Northwest Registered Agent. For only $39, they'll take care of your LLC filing, provide professional support, and include a free registered agent service for the first year. They've assisted thousands of Airbnb hosts in seamlessly setting up their LLCs. They're one of the top providers for LLC services, and they offer excellent customer support. They will handle your LLC formation, file your paperwork, and act as your registered agent, so you can focus on growing your Airbnb business. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable service, I strongly recommend checking them out. Check the link in the video description to sign up with Northwest Registered Agent today. 5. Create an operating agreement. While this step is not required in all states, it's highly recommended to have an operating agreement for your LLC. An operating agreement outlines the ownership and organizational structure of your business, the roles and responsibilities of members, and how profits and losses will be distributed. For single-member LLCs, the operating agreement might be simple, but for multi-member LLCs, it's essential to clarify each person's role in the business. Having an operating agreement in place can also help prevent disputes later on. 6. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. The next step is to get an EIN from the IRS. This is a unique number assigned to your LLC for tax purposes, and it allows you to open a business bank account, apply for credit, and hire employees if needed. Getting an EIN is free, and you can apply for one directly through the IRS website. For most LLCs, it's a requirement, even if you don't have employees. 7. Register for state taxes. Depending on where your Airbnb property is located, you may need to register for state taxes, such as sales tax, income tax, or business tax. This will vary from state to state, so make sure you check with your local tax authority. Most states require you to collect sales tax from guests, which you'll need to remit to the state. Some states also have specific regulations for short-term rental businesses, so it's important to stay on top of any changes in the law. 8. Maintain compliance with your LLC. Once your LLC is up and running, you'll need to maintain compliance with state regulations. This might include submitting annual reports, paying annual fees, and updating your registered agent information if needed. It's essential to stay organized and keep track of any changes that could impact your LLC status. Northwest Registered Agent can help you stay compliant by reminding you of deadlines and offering ongoing support. So, there you have it, how to start an LLC for your Airbnb business, step by step. Setting up an LLC will protect your assets, provide tax advantages, and make your business more credible. And remember, for all your LLC needs, I highly recommend Northwest Registered Agent. They make the entire process smooth and hassle-free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on growing your Airbnb business. And, as always, feel free to drop any questions in the comments, I'll be happy to help.